possible immigration consequences as a result of his plea. There were a couple of things. First, if the court were to reset it, my clients expressed that he'd be unable to afford to retain an immigration attorney to consult him as to the immigration consequences. So he would ask if the court could appoint an immigration attorney or grant funds for us to try to get up a deal letter for him. The second issue is I talked to my client, Judge. I explained that there are immigration consequences, and I advised him that my advice would be to consult with an immigration attorney so that immigration attorney could talk to him about the potential immigration consequences in taking this plea and being convicted for driving while intoxicated. I advised him that that's what the court wants to do. I advised him that's what I was advising him to do. He's expressed to me that he would like to proceed today. He is currently on probation for a DWI that happened around the same time in another county, which was, I think, part of the reason I thought he was a U.S. citizen. So he is currently on probation. I don't know if he was advised pertaining to any immigration consequences when he did that plea or not, but he's expressed to me that he doesn't wish to consult with an immigration attorney and that he wishes to proceed with the plea today, contrary to my advice. And I told him I would express that to the court. Is everything I said pertaining to that correct, Mr. Guerrero Hernandez?
Correct.
All right. From my understanding of the Padilla versus Kentucky case, it is a requirement that I, as a judge, assure that the rules or the law itself, as expressed in Padilla versus Kentucky, is obeyed. So I will not continue this hearing. I will. Linda Flores, are you on?
Excuse me?
Linda Flores, she's a county clerk in my court. Patricia, we need to get an order granting to Mr. Priest at least $100 additional for the purpose of obtaining the immigration lawyer's assistance. It doesn't take a whole long time, but it is something that I want to assure. The problem is that if I don't comply with the law, it's almost a lay down appeal. All right. So we will reset this for 30 days. We will immediately grant Mr. Priest the additional money to obtain the counsel in accordance with my instructions.
Excuse me, Honor. Is that the earliest that you can do, 30 days?
If you rush it, you and Mr. Priest get it done. You get it done next week, we can set up a hearing and finish this up. But you got to do it right away.
Okay.
And Your Honor, as far as the additional $100 for Mr. Priest, when he submits his pay voucher, he can include attach a supplemental regarding your allowing him to obtain additional monies.
I'm approving it right now, up to $100, Mr. Priest. So get it done.
Excuse me, Andrew.
Sir?
I'm talking to Andrew Priest.
Yes.
Can you set that up, or do I need to set it up?
No, I will. You can. There's two ways. The judge has authorized funds for me to try to find someone to do that letter. And that obviously entails me trying to find someone who will do it for the amount that the judge has authorized. And I don't know
how much was it? $100?
I don't know how quickly that will be. You can find someone on your own. You don't have to find anyone. If you think you can go get someone who could do it quicker, and you are able to work out a payment arrangement where you can afford it, you can do that as well.
Okay, Judge, what am I gonna tell the immigration lawyer?
They will
that I
explain
need?
it all to you. They will explain it all to you.
Yeah, but when I call, what am I gonna say to the lawyer?
I'll
Tell them
talk
you
to you
need
about it.